Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2024 Nissan Altima and I will show you which fuses to check in case your Altima is equipped with heated seats and they are not working. This video should apply to 6th generation of Nissan Altimas made from 2019 all the way up to 2025. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, so the fuse you want to check will be located in a small fuse box under the steering wheel just behind this cover. To remove the cover, you just want to gently pry it out using a small flat screwdriver or anything similar, just like that. Once you remove it, on the back side you'll have a small fuse diagram. And this black piece, this is the fuse puller you can use to remove and check any of the fuses. And the fuse you want to check for the heated seats will be fuse number 8, which is this 20 amp yellow fuse located right here. In case this fuse is good, next thing to do, you want to test the heated seats switches, you want to check the wiring, and the worst case scenario, you want to check the heating element inside the seat. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.